What's up, guys? I am back again. It's your girl Joy Seed Smile, and right now we want to go shopping and get some food so we can cook dinner tonight in this amazing kitchen. So I just wanted to vlog so you guys can see what we're gonna cook today, and let's have dinner together. Maybe we're gonna have wine, who knows. Oh, outside looks so nice. We outside. Going to the supermarket. What do you guys want to eat tonight?
What do you want to cook for us? Anything that you want to cook for us.
Let's see when we get there. Not really sure. Unfortunately, we didn't carry masks, so they had to give us masks.
For free, not for free.
We will see. We will see, maybe. So that's it. So I want to ask a question.
Yeah?
The question that we wanted to know. Were we charged what we're wearing on our faces?
No.
So guys, unfortunately, we were not charged for the masks.
Unfortunately. I thought we were going to pay for the masks.
Yeah, now let's go home and see. We just got to the house.
Yep.
We're about to start cooking.
No, it's chocolate.
She's about to start eating chocolate. As usual, she's a sitter.
I like soup.
Kwa ufupi tunamwita mkaaji.
I'm a sitter.
So now everything is set. Tonight I'm gonna be making rice and what, bestie? And chicken. Some chicken wings. I'm gonna be making Coca-Cola chicken wings. Ugh, I love it. Oh damn, I forgot to buy soy sauce. Anywho, some mushrooms on the side. I forgot to buy butter. Oh, so here's my chicken and the rice and everything else that I need. I got butter, so I'm going to make mushrooms as well. Thank you. Nino.
Coca-Cola wings. I could do it.
My people.
Hard to say.
I was so tired to finish my vlog. I just remembered right now, so I'm going to say good night. Bye. Do not even mind my lipstick. Don't mind my hair. I'm just tired right now. We're just going to Netflix, chill, and wait for tomorrow. So see you next time in the next video. Bye.